Hello everyone and welcome back to Canadian King Coins. In today's video we're doing a mail call because I've just received a package from my good friend War Nickel Revolution. Not too long ago I won one of the great giveaways he does over on his channel, although I don't exactly remember what it was I won. So it's going to be just as much a surprise to me as it is to you when I open this thing up. And I'm really hoping he sent me one of his stickers with his new logo, because I really like it. So nice and easy cut there with the X-Acto knife. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Got some unique packaging already. Looks like things might have fallen apart a bit though. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's such a nice sticker. His logo is just so, stands out so well. Put that right over here. It looks like we got a few nickels too. Clipped planche. Oh my goodness. Whoa. That is the coolest clip planchet I've ever seen. Not that I've seen many. So yeah, 1989 P nickel. Definitely the most extreme error coin I have now. And he wrote the letter on the back of a nickel wrapper. Oh, that's great. Dear Quentin, thanks for being a good friend and sending me some pretty awesome things. Here are some things you might like. Best wishes, War Nickel Revolution. Oh, that's great. That's going to be going with all the letters that I keep from everybody. It's going to be the most unique one, that's for sure. And there's some more stuff down in here I saw. Let's just get it all out of there. Oh my goodness. That's everything in the package. Very nice. So the first thing here looks like 1957D, the most beautiful wheat penny I've ever seen in my life. I mentioned not too long ago, I think, that I've always wanted to have an uncirculated wheat penny. That's just one of the things I've always wanted to add to my collection of American stuff. And that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm going to treasure that. Oh my god. The nicest V-nickel I've ever had, too. 1883. I believe that also... It's my oldest non-penny American coin, that's for sure. Sibawayne coins. VF35. Oh, that's beautiful. That's going into my collection. And then here we've got Barber Dime. Wow. 1911, I think. Yeah. Really cool coin, too. I've never seen one like this. That's awesome. Well, these 4 coins are some of the coolest American coins I have. Maybe some of the coolest coins I have in total. Wow. Warnock, like I tell you, this is an amazing package. I am blown away. I wasn't expecting this at all. Well, if you guys haven't already, be sure to go check out War Nickel's channel. He does a lot of awesome coin content. The best channel in the world, I think, for nickel-related content. If you enjoy coin hunts or anything like that, that's the place to be. Alright, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video of me unboxing some amazing American coins from a good friend of mine. Well, if you like this video and are interested in seeing some videos where I focus more on Canadian coins, consider subscribing, or check out some of the other videos on my channel. And as always, have a great day.
The scene is unique in the world, the occasion unique in history. Thousands of Americans have crossed the border to cheer the King and Queen as they drive up on the Canadian side of the gorge to admire the falls, And while their majesties gaze upon the awe-inspiring spectacle, Americans and Canadians alike prepare to give them a joyous Godspeed on their momentous entry into the United States.